clear.
Keep it moving! That's it, load it up!
Purity 98.6 approved.
Container 1, full. All seals verified. Pallet stacked, wrapping complete.
Load secured, manifest confirmed. Mile marker 40, on schedule.
Cargo temp stable.
Checkpoint ahead. Cleared, proceed to dock 3.
Decontamination stage 1 complete. Particle count 0, containers cleared.
Suit check, entering clean zone.
Mold output nominal.
Hydration cycle running.
Rejection rate 0.1%. Power verified, all within spec.
Seal integrity confirmed. Labels applied, print quality verified.
Sterilization cycle initiated.
Sterilization complete, all trays cleared.
Boxing rate on target.
Pallet staged, ready for loading. Pallet wrapped and scanned. Truck 2, loaded. Final manifest. Sign here.
Got it.
All set. Safe travels. Manifest signed. Moving out.
Entering city zone.
First stop, 2 minutes.
Delivery for contact lenses. All right, go ahead. Stock received, inventory updated.
Shelf looks good.
Ready for customers?
Let's begin the examination. Now for the corneal topography scan. Daily lenses will work perfectly for you.
Can I help you find the right lenses?
Yes, please.
Let me pull up your prescription.
Great, thank you.
I recommend these daily lenses.
Those sound perfect.
Enjoy your clear vision.
Thank you.
Perfect.
Precision engineered from Earth to your eyes.
Done for today.
Subscribe, hit like, and share this with someone who wears lenses.